Did you know a single aircraft part can cost more than a luxury car? Here's why. First, certification. Every single part needs years of testing and approval from aviation authorities. That process alone can cost millions of dollars. Second, there is absolutely zero margin for error. These components have to survive extreme heat, pressure, and turbulence. Failure is not an option when you're 30,000 feet in the air. Unlike cars made by the millions, aircraft parts are produced in tiny quantities, sometimes just a few units a year. Low volume means high cost. Next, traceability. Every part must come with a mountain of paperwork, certificates, test results, and a full history. Without it, the part is worthless. Also, urgency. When a plane is grounded, airlines lose tens of thousands of dollars per hour. That urgency drives up the price of replacement parts. Finally, the materials aircraft use advanced stuff like titanium and carbon fiber, incredibly strong, lightweight, and extremely expensive. So, from certification and safety to low volume and exotic materials, that's why aircraft parts cost so much. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.